What is going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here. And in this video, I am going to be breaking down, I'm going to be analyzing for the upcoming week gold, NAS, which are the two main pairs that I trade. And I'm just forward testing GU and silver. So gold and NAS I trade, GU and silver I'm forward testing. I'm going to be breaking down all four of them in this video though, because it seems like GU and silver line up with my strategy very well. So I'm gonna be forward testing those, and then in the near future I should be adding them to the collection, and I should stop there. I don't know if I'm gonna be adding any other pairs. I don't need that many pairs, but for the most part, these four are the staple pairs that I should be trading in the future. Right now it's just gold and NAS. So with that being said, let's look at this outlook on the upcoming week for these pairs. So gold actually tapped into this weekly support, which is nice because it's rejecting, and you see that previously this candle, this weekly candle, as you see this wick, at one point this wick was a full, this candle was full. Now what happened today, which is Friday, is that it faked this out, faked down to the downside, and it closed above this weekly zone, so that we can expect potential bullishness in price. I'm not saying automatically that price is going to be bullish. I'm just saying you can expect potential bullishness of price. What I need in order for me to consider price to be bullish and to take longs on gold up to at least this weekly resistance. I need to change this. I'm going to change this to resistance now because it broke below. Was once support, now it is resistance. What I need in order for me to buy gold up to this resistance zone is for gold to break above this high over here. As you see, there were rejections that happened. You got all these rejections over here. What I need in order to buy gold and consider gold bullish short term is for the gold to break above here and start using this level as support rather than the resistance that it's holding as right now. All right, so I currently need gold to break above, start to use this as support to take price to the upside. So that's currently what I'm looking for gold. If it doesn't hold this as support, if I'm going to sell gold, I'm going to need a break below this structure right here. So it's either price breaks above here and I buy, or price breaks below here and I sell, as it has been the past couple of weeks, as you see down here. So that's on gold. Let's take a look at NAS. I don't want to be too long, so I'm not going to talk too much on here. This is almost the same case as gold. You can see that price shot below this monthly, all right, this monthly support, and closed back above. If we drop down to lower time frames, we can see that price. You can see this nasty wick on the 8-hour that fake traders out. So fake traders out and decided to close above. So what I'm looking for on NAS is for NAS to actually, since there's not much structure on the 4-hour, what I need NAS to do is to actually create some more structure here. All right, I need NAS to create more structure here, and I'm going to use the structure high on the 4-hour and wait for NAS to break above it. Once it breaks above it, all I need is for a retest to take NAS to the upside. Now, if I'm going to sell NAS, what I need NAS to do is break below this zone down here. I need a nice break below this zone, and for it to use this zone as resistance after it breaks to support. So that's currently what I'm looking for on NAS. Break it to continue down to this weekly support zone, which is 11,963. So that's NAS. Let's go to GU. GU is almost the same case as gold. The weekly wick below is actually like almost exactly like gold. So the weekly wick below fake traders out. Let's use this wick below this monthly supply zone, support zone. Wick below this monthly support zone and close back above. As we drop down lower time frames, what I need GU to do, which it has already done, and I'm looking just for my setup at this point. So GU is in the buy zone. You can see that GU broke above this zone right here that I had initially marked out as a high. GU broke above it. What I need GU to do is create my setup. That's all I needed to do now. That's the only confirmation I need. And from there, I'm going to buy GU up to this zone. And if GU gets here, breaks above, starts using it as support, we've got GU going to the moon, guys. GU potentially going to the moon. I'm going to take it all the way. Oh, God. I'm going to take it all the way to potential. Why does this happen? I'm going to take it all the way potentially to this weekly resistance over here, which is 123,200, 0.23200. All right, and the last pair, gold, not gold, silver. Silver, pretty similar to gold and GU. If we're going to weekly, wick below, closed above. Not much to say, but if I'm going to buy silver, what I need silver to do is to, very similar to gold, break above this. I just need you to break above here, silver. And then we'll take it to the upside because we're currently in a monthly supply zone, which is a strong level at 21,600. All right. And as you can see, we have a ton of imbalance over here. Got imbalance over here. Yeah. So if we can start breaking structure highs, retesting structure highs, we can possibly tap into this imbalance, which is how much? Ton of pips away. Let me see how much. Let's just say a lot of pips away. All right. So yeah. And that's it. That's currently what I'm looking for. And if I want to sell silver, it's gonna have to give me a nice close below this zone. A nice close below here. Start to use this as resistance to continue down to 4,500. All right. So yeah, that's currently the weekly outlook that I have on these pairs. We'll see if they hold. If they don't, it doesn't matter. All I'm doing is predicting the market and trying to react to whatever it gives me. All right. It's okay to predict the market. Just don't expect the market to do what you want it to do. All right. So you wanna predict the market, but react at the same time, if that makes sense. We're predicting the market, predicting what's going to happen. If it doesn't happen, we don't react. If it does happen, then we react. All right. That's as simple as it gets in trading. I know trading can be hard. It's just a game of patience, game of psychology. If you can master your patience, master your psychology, you will be a profitable trader. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.